Begin with drawing a line. This can be either curved, straight, or any shape you would like. Draw 2 lines at an angle in a triangle shape to start the front of the tent. Add another line to the back. Close the tent at the bottom with a line. For the doors of the tent, you can draw 1 line down the middle or draw 2 lines to form another small triangle. For the logs, draw a small rectangle. Add a second rectangle and continue adding rectangles, which will become the logs of your fire. Add curvy lines in any shape you'd like to form the fire. Add color to both the fire and the tent.